All right, so Disney is at $172.78 with a market cap of 313.47 billion. And we're a little bit down. I just made a purchase of Disney, but I'll make another video on that very soon. But we're staying steady in this 170 to about $175 range. But in today's news, which is what we want to see, is Disney shares jump as UBS sees Netflix streaming challenge improving parks attendance. So, an analyst at UBS boosted his price target on Disney to $200 per share and predicts the media giant's streaming revenues could reach 43 billion by 2024. And there's another part that I want to read in this because it's a little funny. So, the UBS analyst improved his rating on the stock to buy from neutral while boosting his price target by $45 to $200 per share, citing the group's potential to challenge Netflix streaming dominance and reach 340 million global subscribers for Disney Plus by 2024. It's like, really? Where have you been? Like this, everyone's kind of known this for a while, and now you're giving it up in your price and giving it a buy rating. I just think that's funny, but uh, nonetheless, this is what we want to see. More people saying buy Disney. It helps people, peace of mind that hey, I'm going to invest in Disney. Other analysts from these large banks have faith in Disney, so hey, maybe I'll make some money. And this is, we're gonna see this probably for a while because I'm sure every time that Disney releases their um, Disney Plus numbers, we're gonna see it shoot up, and more analysts are gonna change their views and they're gonna up their prices, which I want to see that because I am invested so much in Disney. I think that I am going to double my money with Disney, and Disney is my largest position, which I'll make another video on my full position on Disney. But I just want you to be aware that hey, these small little good signs are great, and the stuff is happening, and there's a lot of faith in Disney. So stay on top of this, do your own research, have some fun, make some money.
Video is not financial advice. Any statements made are my views and is for entertainment purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Do your own research before making any financial investments.